What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Rod Knock Garage. Today we are at Cedar Creek with my wife Tilly. She is on our quad, the Yamaha Bruin. She's really getting the hang of it. This is her probably third or fourth time out, and she's really getting the corners down. She's feeling more comfortable, and she's getting faster and faster every single time. Really having a great time out there. But if you like the video, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. We appreciate it. There is a new bike on the channel. The reveal will be posted at 100 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button. At this point in the video, you get a really good shot of the handlebar setup that I have going on. I'm really proud of the bar setup that I've got on this bike. Twin wall Renthals, Enduro Engineering handguards, full wraparounds, blinged anodized covers, levers, breakaway levers, the headlight switch, everything, the grips, everything's just really clean. All the anodized parts, it's just a really nice thing to look at when you're riding. Good job. some context for these revs coming up. There's a turnoff on the right up here, and it's just a bench and like a picnic table at this giant drop off over a creek. It's probably about 150 feet down. We actually climbed down to the bottom, climbed all the way back up to the top, and just kind of hung out there for a while. But that was the context for why I was trying to stop her. She didn't hear me though. I think I need a louder exhaust.